Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our English online class. Okay. So this is your English literature book. You can see Scholar English literature book of class 2. And we start the first lesson, The Rainbow. The Rainbow is a poem. First chapter is your poem. I am giving you a model reading. So listen very carefully. Okay. First, lesson number 1, and the name is The Rainbow. The Rainbow. Okay. Now I am going to read. You have to listen and orate the poem. Okay. Colors in it, there are 7. It looks like it has come from heaven. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. It has been brought by a fairy queen. Yellow, orange and lovely red. Across the sky it is spread. It's quite high, it's not low. Yes, it is a lovely rainbow. Okay. I think you all know what is the rainbow. You all see in the sky. You all see in the sky. Again I am writing here. You also have to write in your copy like this. Colors in it, there are 7. It looks like it has come from heaven. One thing I am telling you, that when you ever write poem, if the sentence is gone on the second line, so you doesn't start from here third line. This is first, second, and the third line you also start from the third line. Don't merge here, okay? Violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue and green. It has been brought by a fairy queen. 4 number line. Then 5. Yellow, orange and lovely red. Across the sky it is spread. 7th number. It is quite high. It is not low. Yes, it is a lovely rainbow. So 8 lines poem you have to write like this. Now I am going to give you a explanation of this poem. The poem is about rainbow. The poem is about rainbow. So you all know that rainbow has a 7 color like violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange and red color. These are 7 colors. These are 7 colors which are filled in the rainbow. So the poet is saying colors in it there are 7. Poet is saying that in the rainbow there are 7 colors. It looks like it has come from heaven. The poet is saying that in the rainbow there are 7 colors and it looks like that it has come from the heaven. Heaven means swarg. Violet, indigo, blue and green. Poet is saying about these 4 colors. Violet, indigo, blue and green. It has been brought by a fairy queen. Poet is saying that these 4 colors are like brought by a fairy queen. Fairy queen means pari. Poet is saying that these 4 colors has been brought by a fairy queen. Yellow, orange and lovely red. Again the poet is saying about 3 colors. Which color? Yellow, orange and lovely red. Across the sky it is spread. In whole sky these colors are spread. It is quite high, not it is low. It is quite high, it is not low. The poet is saying the rainbow is very high, not on the low. Yes, it is a lovely rainbow. The poet is saying that yes, it is a lovely rainbow, very beautiful rainbow, lovely rainbow. Okay. So in the copy you have to write like this. On the first page, lesson number, lesson name and poem, and you have to decorate it also colors with colors or making a drawing by top or down. So you have to note down these all the things in your copy in English literature. Okay, thank you.
Students, you have to take your English copy, 4 ruler copy, and mention your name, class, subjects and the front page of your copy. And then on the first page, first of all put here date and then lesson number, lesson name and write poem like this. Okay, you have to very careful before writing. First letter is capital always, and if the one sentence is not completing in one line and you use second line, then after you have to start the next line from the next line, not the same line. Okay, if you end here, so use next line from here. And on the next page, at last you have to make a rainbow, clouds, birds, tree, smiley and write here lovely rainbow. Read and learn this poem